Oh, by the way, I just got sale on one of my brands. So let me just show you guys how it sounds when you get a sale. I completely forgot to mention the winning product for you in my video, so I'm just gonna mention it right now. I just added this clip and I'll show you guys. So this is a jade roller. This is something that women use on their face. You know, you just roll it like this and it just works. And this is a product I'm currently selling, and it really does work. So how much does it cost? Well, I'm sorry, my webcam will go away, but if we just select this one, it costs around $4.39, right? You can do the cheaper one if you want to, but a set is what I suggest. And then you can select the AliExpress standard shipping because it's fully tracked and the customers will get it on time. Anyway, that is what I recommend selling, and usually I 3x the price. So let's say you're paying around $9 right here for this product. You can 3x that, and that's what your selling price would be if you're running ads live for the product. Otherwise, you could just set it a bit lower, just so you know, as an upsell or whatever. This is suggested to be an upsell for your store, but this is a winning product that is currently selling. It's working on my store right now as we speak. I get sales for it almost every day without running any ads. So anyway, that was it. And yeah, I just wanted to add the winning product like I told you guys I would. Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how I usually set up my Facebook columns to analyze the data I'm receiving from Facebook. So let's get right into it. If you don't know what analyzing data is or what the Facebook columns are, basically these are the Facebook columns. Let's say delivery, impressions, campaign name, and we can go inside of here. We've got all our ad sets. If you're wondering what these ad sets are for and why they're in draft, this is from my last previous video on how I set up my Facebook ads. I actually mentioned a winning product in that video, so if you want to go ahead and check that out, feel free to just go on my previous video and you'll see it. Just watch this video before, set up your columns, because this is going to help you a lot when using Facebook. So let's just jump right into how I set up my Facebook columns and how you can set them up as well. Set up them the same way. So what we want to go ahead and do is go to customize columns here. You press this button right here inside of your ads manager and press customize columns. Now what we can go ahead and do is, you know, just delete all of these things here, and ad set name is something you're always going to want to have, so that's good. But now what you want to go ahead and do is type in delivery, because you want to see whether okay, that's not my bad. All right, type in delivery because you want to see whether it's activated or not. You just want to use the regular delivery because if you're looking at the campaign or campaign level, or the level here with the creatives, you want to be able to see whether it's active or not. This ad set delivery is only going to show you the ad sets, I'm pretty certain. That's from my personal experience. I'm not sure whether it's like that, but I've never used the ad set delivery, and I just suggest you using delivery as well. Now if we just keep on going, we can select amount spent. Right now, oh, by the way, I just got sale on one of my brands. So let me just show you guys how it sounds when you get a sale. I'm not actually running any ads for this brand, but I just wanted to add that in there. Well, you know, the reason why I'm not running any ads for this brand is because my ad account is currently disabled. But if you guys don't believe me with my winning products, I'm telling you, the products I'm telling you guys in my videos are actually real winners, and I will be revealing a winning product in this video as well, probably towards the end or in the middle. We'll see about that. Anyway, now select amount spent and we can keep on going. So now we can go ahead and select link clicks. So in this case we'll go with link clicks there, and then we want to select unique, sorry, not you don't want unique link clicks, sorry. What you want to go ahead and add now is cost per unique link click, sorry, cost per unique CPC, so cost per link click. I actually usually set cost per unique link click. That's more important, in my personal opinion. Now we can go ahead and add CPM. If you're wondering why I'm looking down all the time, I actually got my notebook here with information that I use, and I tell you guys. Now why am I using a notebook? Well, it's quite difficult to, you know, remember the order of everything, so that's the reason why. And then what the next thing I use is cost per purchase. So cost per purchase, not cost. You could use cost per result. I guess that's the same thing. but cost per purchase, and then you want to do total. Okay, you don't want to use unique. The reason why well, just deselect these ones as well. But the reason why you don't want to use unique is because let's say let's say I buy from your website, right? And I make 3 purchases. It's only gonna show up as 1 purchase on your data analytics then if you only select the unique one. But you want all 3 to show up because that's how it's performing, right? So you want to go ahead and select total. Now the next thing I do is actually ROAS. But what we can go ahead and do really quick is just select value as well, because that's something we're going to use. Scroll down, deselect this, and there's a reason why I do it in a specific order and I don't use too many things. Most people probably use more things than me, but now you just want to type in ROAS and then select the total one. Now what I like to do, what I prefer doing, is deselect these ones and move this one up here, okay, above conversion value, because that's not something I feel like the ROAS is more relevant, right? Now select save as preset, and you can just call this VS, okay, for my name, and then you just press apply, and there you go. That's all you have to do. Now as you can see, everything is shown in one page. So amount spent, link clicks, delivery, amount spent, link clicks, cost per unique link click, CPM, purchases, purchase ROAS, purchase conversion value. Now you could probably add more things into this, most definitely, but this is how I usually analyze data for a store that's already working. Now some people like to do like add to cart, etc., but this is only for a store that's already working. Let's say your store, and make sure when you do this, just press set as default. Now some people like to, if they use like a cost KPI and use a KPI, okay, if you don't know what that is, I'll explain it in a different video. But now what we can go ahead and do is just go on to here, and you can actually select like cost per unique add to cart, etc. So cost per you could probably type in add to cart, and then you've got here total add to cart, so unique add to cart. I'd select unique add to cart, and we can remove that as well, and we can add initiate checkout as well, right? So initiate checkout, and we can do cost per unique initiate checkout, and we can do payment info, payment info, and we can do unique payment info, or we can do total, it doesn't matter. And you just want to remove deselect these ones because this is going to take up a lot of space. Some people like to place them in the middle. That's what I would have done if I'm analyzing a lot of data. So now if we just press the apply button, you can see if we get a unique add to cart, unique checkout, unique payment info, you could add that. But what you can do as well, what a lot of people do, sorry, we don't want to do that. We want to go ahead and go to customize columns again, and I'll show you, is cost per unique add to cart. So cost per, oh my god, okay, cost per add to cart. So what we can do is cost per payment info, cost per add to cart, and we can just delete this bit here, add, and we can type in initiate checkout. Sorry, initiate checkout. Okay, checkout's initiated, that's what it's called. And then we can use cost, and we can apply. And if we just go to the side, you can see here unique ads, here cost per ad, ads of payment info, cost per add to cart, cost per initiated checkout. You can move these ones to over here. This is only if just started out your store and you want to analyze some data. Okay, so this is how I personally set everything up. Now we can set this as default as well. You can name it to whatever you want to. I'm going to do VS analyze, and we can press OK. So you can set this as your default one as well. So this is personally how I would analyze data. If you're on a low budget, use these ones as well, and everything should work out for you, hopefully. Now this goes really good in hand with what I was explaining in my last video, of, let's say you're targeting worldwide, right? Like I suggested you do. Now you can go ahead and use the breakdown tab. So if we just press this one, I'm going to go more in depth on this in my next video, but if we just select that one and press filter by selection, now it's running really slow, so I don't know what's happening, but we can go to the breakdown tab and we can select delivery, and we can go ahead and go to country. Now I don't know why it's not really working, so I'll just have to go through. Oh, okay, I know why it's not working. It's because there are drafts. That's the reason why. So I'll have to go into a different ads manager in my next video, and I'll show you guys how everything is done live in front of you guys. Now most of my business managers are actually disabled. However, I will be showing you guys inside of a disabled one, I guess, and I'll just show you how I usually scale my ad sets and different scaling methods for completely free now. I'm not gonna charge you for a stupid course. I don't see the point in doing that, and yeah, I hope I know I was in the same situation as you guys before, and I didn't really know how to run ads and stuff like that, and Facebook can be really confusing. So I will be showing you guys how to do everything for free in my next video. I'm not going to charge you for the course, for a course. It's a free course on YouTube, right? I'm just going to post everything I know about dropshipping, most of the things I know at least, for free for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.